Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese braised beef noodle soup. My recipe is not that difficult. I think you can easily cook this at home. So now let's start. We first need to prepare some beef and cut it into cubes. Sirloin is preferable here. Use a pan to boil some water. Put the beef into the pan while the water is still cold. Add 2 spoons of cooking wine. Cooking wine can help to make the beef smell better. When it boils, we need to get rid of the bubbles. Get the beef out from the pan. Keep the soup as well, because we will need to use it later. Now we need to cut some ginger, some onions, and some tomatoes. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the ginger and onion into the pan. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of onion. Add 2 dried chilies. Stir fry again. Now put the beef into the pan. Mix well. Add 2 spoons of yellow rice wine. Mix again. Now add the tomatoes. Stir fry a little bit. Add 2 spoons of soy sauce. 1 spoon of dark soy sauce. Stir fry again and mix well. Turn off the fire and prepare a pot. Put the things we stir fried just now into the pot. Add the beef soup as well. Now we need to prepare the spices. Put the spices into a small bag and add into the pot too. Use high heat to cook until it boils. Then we can add some crystal sugar. Cover it and switch to minimum heat to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we can get rid of the spice bag and the ginger slices. Add some salt. Mix a little bit and the soup is ready. Now we can cook the noodles. Boil some water. When the water boils, add the noodles. You can choose whatever noodle you prefer. It really doesn't matter. Add some salt to it. This can make the noodles taste better. When the noodles are more or less cooked, add some bok choy into the pot. When the bok choy becomes soft, turn off the fire. It is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.